Hi guys, my name is Lucas. Today we will talk about what we did last week and some important point in the video. First, what is a research question? A research question is likely at some point you will be required to create your own research questions. The research question states the specific issue or problem that you will be assigned and will focus on it. It also outlines the task that you will need to complete. Second, what we did last week is that we read an article called Blowing in the Wind by Bob Dylan.
Blowing in the Wind by Bob Dylan was a 5-minute research project that we did in class. It addresses war and people who turn a blind eye to it. The song asks a series of questions about peace, freedom, and war, and asks how long it would take for people to stop fighting and finally live together in peace and harmony. The song "Blow in the Wind" is an anthem of the civil rights movement and was inspired by an anti-slavery song sung before the Civil War called "No More Auction Block for Me." Some questions that we came up with are: why does Bob Dylan use images like doves, mountains, and cannonballs to talk about war and violence? Why does Bob Dylan ask questions in the song instead of just saying things directly? How does this make the song more powerful? How does this pattern of the text help share the song's message about peace and unfair treatment? Also, we talked about some plagiarism and how to avoid it.
And I'm going to talk about plagiarism. Plagiarism is presenting work or ideas from another source as your own, with or without consent of the original author, by incorporating it into your work without full acknowledgement. And these are some examples of what will be automatically be considered as plagiarism. First, changing words but copying the whole sentence structure of a source without giving credit. Copying words or ideas from someone else without giving any credit. Giving incorrect information about the source of a quotation. Turning someone else's work, saying it's yours, and not putting quotation marks.
How do I check if my work is plagiarized? Checking plagiarism doesn't require as much effort as you expected. Various options of website or bots can help you check if a work is flagged as plagiarized from any website. For instance, Grammarly. This website will help you prevent suspicions of ChatGPT usage and copying from a website. What if you are not satisfied with the results generated by the websites? There is a way to check for plagiarism manually. First, if you find suspicious sentences that acquire highly skilled vocabulary or exceed grammar perfection, copy them down on a search engine. You should find pasted websites. Second, find any quotes written on your paper. They should be cited from any website that contains the quote. Now you have a clean essay from any suspicion.